Okay, in 2017, Cisco ended the resale of button cell batteries owing to the new transportation regulations that were introduced, highlighting the danger and special transporting methods required for lithium battery transportation. And they now recommend you buy them locally, i.e. elsewhere, but not from them. Okay, there's a link at the bottom of the screen that Cisco points you to understand the rules. So there are, on the left of the screen, you'll see some Cisco codes that contain batteries. As an example, it's a snapshot really of the servers and routers and switches that contain the CR1225s, the CR1632s, CR1225s, RSP720 uses those. I know all about those. Then you've got a list of all the servers and firewall in there as well that use the CR2032s. And then you've got on the left there, you've got a list of they're the 5 main ones, KTS, Panasonic, Renata, Sony and Varta, that you see in most Cisco devices.